In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Books quickly and easily. We'll guide you through each step necessary to access your Zoho Books account using a Google account. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, let's dive into the process and make sure you're up to speed. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Zoho Books website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.zoho.com/books, or simply search for Zoho Books in your search engine and click on the link to the official site. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the layout is clean and user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way around. Next, take a look at the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll see a button labelled Sign In. This is your gateway to accessing your account, so go ahead and click on that button. It will take you to the sign in page where you'll be presented with several options for logging in. Zoho Books offers a variety of methods to access your account, but for this tutorial we're going to use the Google sign-in method, as it's one of the most straightforward and secure options available. As you're directed to the sign-in page, you will see the Google option prominently displayed among the sign-in choices. Click on the Google button and a new window will pop up displaying all the Google accounts you are currently signed into on your device. If it's your first time logging in via Google, or if you wish to use a different Google account, you might need to enter your Google credentials or add a new account by selecting Use Another Account and then filling in the necessary details. Once you've clicked on Google, simply choose the account you wish to use to access Zoho Books. Ideally, this should be the Gmail account linked to your business or personal Zoho Books setup. If you see multiple accounts listed, make sure to select the one associated with Zoho to avoid any login issues later on. After a brief moment, Zoho Books should log you into your account. You'll know you've successfully signed in when you see the Zoho Books dashboard loaded with all the financial information you've been working with. It's as straightforward as that. Just remember to log out securely once you're done to ensure your data remains safe, especially when using a public or shared device. Congratulations, you're now logged into Zoho Books using the Google sign-in method. This approach is seamless and integrates well with other Google services you might be using. Hopefully this video has demystified the process and you feel confident every time you need to log in. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.